This prayer is often used as a source of inspiration and guidance, especially in times of challenge and difficulty. It is a powerful tool for finding inner peace and acceptance, seeking wisdom to discern between what we can and cannot change. Welcome to our channel, where we will explore the incredible power of prayer together, and how it can transform our lives. Dear friends, today we will share a very special prayer known as the Serenity Prayer. This powerful prayer is a comforting reminder to seek serenity in the midst of adversity, courage to act when necessary, and wisdom to discern between what we can and cannot change. I invite you to join me in this moment of reflection and spiritual connection, as we lift our hearts in search of inner peace and divine guidance. The Serenity Prayer. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Living one day at a time, enjoying one moment at a time, accepting difficulties as a path to peace, accepting, as he did, this sinful world as it is, not how I would like him to be, trusting him to make all things right. If I surrender to your will, so that I can be reasonably happy in this life, and supremely happy with him forever in the next. Amen. As we close this prayer, may we carry with us the spirit of serenity, courage and wisdom that it offers us. May each of us find the strength to face the challenges of everyday life, accepting what we cannot change and acting with courage in the face of what we can transform. May peace of mind accompany us, and may we always seek God's will in our lives. May the Serenity Prayer be a light on our paths, guiding us toward serenity, courage and wisdom. Amen. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, share and activate the bell.